Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a brochure using Canva. Whether you're looking to create a brochure for your business, a marketing campaign, or any other purpose, Canva has got you covered. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to open up canva.com. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one using your email address or Google account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Canva dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Canva is a versatile online design tool that allows you to create presentations, edit logos, design flyers, edit videos, and, of course, create brochures. Today, I'll show you how to create a professional brochure step by step. To get started with your brochure, go to the Design Spotlight section on the left-hand side of the dashboard. From there, you'll find a variety of templates. Click on Brochures to see the available templates specifically for brochures. Canva offers a plethora of templates for different niches. You can either select a template that fits your needs or start from scratch. For this tutorial, I'll choose a template and show you how to customize it to make it your own. Let's select a template to work with. Once you've chosen your template, it will open up the canvas for you. Typically, a brochure will have two pages, the outside and the inside. We'll start with the outside first. The brochure is divided into three parts: the cover, the middle section, and the back. We'll customize each section one by one, starting with the cover. To begin customizing, let's change the background color. Click on the background and select your preferred color from the color palette. Next, we'll change the text color to match our new theme. Select the text elements, click on the text color option, and choose a color that complements your background. Now, let's edit the text itself. Click on each text element to update the content. Next, let's add our contact information. Update the phone number, email address, and physical address by clicking on the respective text fields. If you want to add social media icons, go to the Elements section and search for the specific icon you need. I'll add a LinkedIn icon to our brochure. Select the icon, adjust its size, and place it in the desired location. Then, add the LinkedIn URL next to the icon. Now, let's move on to the inside of the brochure. Click on Add a page to add the inside layout. Here, you can add more detailed information about your business, services, and any other relevant content. Let's start with the About Us section. Update the text to describe your business. You can also add client testimonials in the What Our Clients Say section. Customize the text to include quotes from satisfied clients. If you have images or logos to add, use the Upload section to upload your own images or search for relevant images in the Elements section. Once you're satisfied with your design, make any final adjustments to ensure everything looks perfect. Double-check the colors, text, and images to make sure they align with your overall theme. Now, it's time to download your brochure. Click on the Share button in the top right corner and select Download. You can choose to download your brochure as a PNG, JPEG, or PDF. For printing purposes, I recommend downloading it as a PDF. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional brochure using Canva. Canva makes it incredibly easy to design stunning brochures for any purpose. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have any questions or feedback, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy designing. Check out these other videos from our channel and continue your journey of learning new skills and enhancing your knowledge. See you next time. Have a nice day. Bye.